So on today's video here, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress. So you probably want to build your website with WordPress, but you don't know how to start on or how to install WordPress, and that's how you can start building. So I'm just going to show you how you can install the WordPress. It's not hard. So the probably the first thing you want to do is to get your domain name and hosting. So I'm using Namecheap basically for no reason. So I'm just using Namecheap because it's convenient and it's easy for me to just navigate. So yeah, I'm using Namecheap. I've got my domain name and hosting also. So you can come here. If you probably don't have a domain name, you can search a domain name, then probably get one, then shared hosting too. You want to get an hosting, just come to your shared hosting, get those things, your domain name and shared hosting. So I've got my domain name and my shared hosting. So I'll just go to my hosting list. I'll click on hosting list at this left panel. Then I'm going to see my domain name, then go to cPanel. I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. So it's going to redirect me to cPanel. I'll just wait a few seconds. Then I will be redirected to cPanel. So this cPanel, it's a little bit complicated, or yeah, a little bit complicated if you're using it for the first time, but it's easy to navigate. So you have a lot of things here. You have Softaculous, app installer, web builder, blah blah blah, different things that you can just see. So for me, I want WordPress, so I'll just come here. You see script here, or you can scroll down. I think it's still at the bottom, so you can come here and click on WordPress. So anyone that suits you. So I'll just right click again and open a new tab. So the reason I'm opening on a new tab is not really it's not really a big deal, do you get? So you can probably just click straight and go to the next page. But me, I like opening a new tab. Probably I want to go back, I want to like check something. So yeah, then yeah, you're going to see install. So I'm just going to click install. At this point, you are going to see the website I want to install WordPress on. So if you have multiple domain names, probably you have like 3 domain names, because this is a shared hosting. I can actually have more domain names in it. So probably I have like 3 domain names, but I don't want to install WordPress on the 3. I just need one. So on this drop down here, you can select the one you want to install WordPress on. I'm just going to click, since I have one already. Then the latest version of WordPress. Yeah, you can click on quick install, my blog, admin, blah blah blah. So you can change this. I'm going to change this password after this video. So you can change the password, the username or password, then site description, site name. I'm going to just change this to data advance, the name of the website, then my description. I can just remove this, then admin email, admin password, username, leave language like that, manage plugins. So all these plugins will be installed immediately I install WordPress. Then I just click on here. You can see email installation details. Probably you want to just add email that they will send the WordPress details to, like login details to. So I'll just click on install now. It's going to take a couple of minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, then we'll get back to it. Then you see it has installed. WordPress is now installed. So here's my WordPress website. Here's how I can access my admin dashboard. So I'm just going to right click again, open this on new tab. So here, so this is the admin. So you will be redirected to this place. If you're using Namecheap, yours might be different depending on the hosting platform you're using. Since I'm using Namecheap, this is the the page that you're going to see. So I'm just going to go back to WP admin dashboard because I don't want any of this. So you get to this page. So this is your admin dashboard for your WordPress. Here is where you can be installing anything you want to install. If you want to install plugins, pages, media, you want to upload anything. So if you want to start building your website, this is where you can start from. So this is where you can install your Elementor, then start using Elementor to like build. So in my next video, I'll show you guys how you can use Elementor, or how you can install Elementor. Bye for now.